Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this low bun updo with just 2 braids. To start, I've left out some hair to frame the face, and I'm just going to divide that hair in half at the back of the head and then just do a regular 3-strand braid on that right hand side, and then just tie it off with a clear elastic band, and then just repeat the same braid on the left hand side. Now I've taken up a hair donut and just cut it up and then just reshaped it into a small circular bun shape. And I'm just going to pop this at the nape of the neck between the 2 braids and pin it all along the outside. Next, pop your fingers through the top of the braid on the right hand side, grab the left hand braid and pull it all the way through. Use a couple of bobby pins to pin it on the right hand side to the hair padding, and then also attach the braid to the padding with a few more bobby pins. Then we're going to do the same on the left hand side, so pop your fingers through, take the right hand braid and pull it all the way through. Then secure the braid to the bun padding and also secure the edge of the braid to the left hand side of the head. Take the 2 tail ends and bring them up together at the top of the bun and join them with a clear elastic band. Then just tuck the tail ends underneath the bun and secure them to the head with a few more bobby pins. Apply some texture spray all over that bun area, and then all we're going to do is simply pinch and pull at all the different loops and twists to give it a bit more volume. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.